Social network analysis is a very convenient approach to many real-world questions, and that's because we find networks in all parts of our lives. From our relations with friends and family to interactions on social media, from digital humanities to international trade networks. If you study social sciences or humanities, you'll most probably find some form of network data relevant to you. And if you have network data, you can analyze, visualize, you can make sense of them with social network analysis. Hi everyone, my name is Tomasz and I'm a PhD student and a junior research fellow at Masaryk University in Brno. Moreover, I'm one of the instructors who will be teaching an online summer school called Social Network Analysis for Humanities and Social Sciences. The whole summer school is designed as a series of interactive workshops. From the very beginning of the course, you'll learn by doing. We'll be working with an intuitive network analysis software, and you'll try everything out yourself at your own computer. At the end of the school, you'll perform your very own social network analysis in your field of study. The summer school is worth 3 ECTS credits. After a successful completion of the summer school, you'll receive a transcript from an internationally renowned university, which should allow you to count the earned credits towards studies at your home university. You'll find an application form along with all the details about the summer school on our website. We'll be looking forward to hearing from you.